Did you know that Dr. Nguyen Duy Tung from Nutri-Home Nutrition Center explains that a balanced diet can ease the kidney's workload, allowing them to filter blood and eliminate toxins more efficiently? NARA, a group of researchers at Nara Women's University in this West Japan city, has discovered that estrogen, a female hormone, is responsible for boosting women's preference for sweet tastes through a rat experiment. The group, led by Professor Akira Takamata, points out that it is essential to consider gender differences in preventing lifestyle-related diseases such as obesity and CKD. For women, responses in accordance with changes in their hormonal environment due to menopause and estrous cycle are required. You know, it's funny how our bodies work. For years, scientists have noticed that women, both humans and even animals, often have a bigger sweet tooth than men. We're talking about a real craving for sugary treats. But why? What's going on there? Well, a brilliant group of researchers over at Nara Women's University in Japan just cracked part of the code. Led by Professor Akira Takamata, they've found that a specific female hormone, estrogen, might be the main culprit, or should I say, the main driver, behind women's heightened preference for sweets. They did this really clever experiment with rats. They had one group of female rats that had their ovaries removed, meaning they didn't produce their own estrogen. Then, they had another group that was given estrogen supplements. Both groups had free access to water, regular food, calorie-free sweeteners, and a calorie-rich sugar solution. And what did they find? The rats that were given estrogen absolutely guzzled the artificial sweetener and the sugar water, barely touching their regular food. It was a clear sign that estrogen was making them crave those sweet tastes. This is a huge discovery, right? Professor Takamata and her team are saying that when we're thinking about preventing common health issues like obesity and chronic kidney disease, CKD, we have to consider the differences between men and women. For women, their hormone levels, especially estrogen, fluctuate quite a bit throughout their lives, during their monthly cycle, pregnancy, and especially during menopause. These changes can really impact their preferences and their bodies, and we need to respond to that. So what does all this mean for our kidneys? Well, understanding these deeper connections helps us realize just how important a balanced diet is. Dr. Nguyen Duy Tung from Nutri-Home Nutrition Center puts it perfectly. A good diet can truly lighten the load on your kidneys, letting them do their job of filtering blood and getting rid of all those toxins much more easily. Today, I'm going to share 6 simple diet tips to help keep your kidneys happy and healthy. And trust me, these aren't just for people with kidney problems. They're great for everyone. All right, let's dive into tip number 1. 1. Cut down on salt. This might sound obvious, but it's super important for your kidneys and honestly, for your whole body. Think of your kidneys as tiny, super efficient filters working 24/7 to clean your blood and get rid of waste. When you eat too much salt, which is also known as sodium, it's like throwing a wrench into their delicate machinery. Here's what happens. When there's an excess of sodium in your system, your body tries to balance things out by holding on to more water. This extra fluid leads to higher blood pressure, which is a major strain on your kidneys' delicate blood vessels. Over time, this constant pressure can damage them, making it harder for them to filter properly. It's like trying to force too much water through a small clogged pipe. Eventually, the pipe gets damaged. And it's not just about sprinkling extra salt on your food. Many everyday items are hidden sources of sodium. We're talking about things like monosodium glutamate, MSG, which is common in many processed foods and restaurant dishes, especially in some Asian cuisines. Then there's fish sauce, a staple in many kitchens. And even seemingly innocent spices like pepper, when used in large quantities in pre-made mixes. Processed snacks, canned soups, frozen meals, cured meats like bacon or deli slices, and even some breads can be loaded with sodium without you even realizing it. Reading food labels is crucial here. Look for the sodium content and aim for lower numbers. So how can you reduce your intake? It's easier than you think. Instead of heavily seasoned, fried, or grilled foods that often rely on a lot of salt for flavor, try opting for more steamed or boiled dishes. Steaming vegetables, for example, preserves their natural sweetness and nutrients, allowing their true flavors to shine without needing a ton of added salt. Boiling lean proteins like chicken or fish can also create a delicious base for herbs and spices that aren't high in sodium. Get creative with other flavor enhancers. Think about fresh herbs like basil, oregano, cilantro, or parsley. A squeeze of lemon or lime juice can brighten up almost any dish. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, or chili flakes can add depth and warmth without the sodium hit. Even a splash of vinegar can provide a zesty kick. Making this shift to a lower sodium diet is a small change that makes a huge difference for your kidney health and overall well-being. Your kidneys will thank you for taking some of that pressure off. 2. Load up on fruits and veggies. This is a no-brainer for overall health, but especially for your kidneys. Fresh fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals that your kidneys absolutely love. Think about veggies like broccoli, cabbage, zucchini, and cucumbers. They're all great choices because they're naturally low in something called potassium, which we need to be mindful of. And for fruits, apples, pears, and strawberries are fantastic options. Not only are they low in potassium, but they're also bursting with antioxidants, which are like little superheroes fighting off damage in your body, including your kidneys. Now, a very important note here. If you do have kidney disease, you need to be careful with your intake of sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. Some fruits, like bananas, oranges, kiwis, dried fruits, or even canned fruits, can be high in potassium. So if you have kidney issues, always talk to your doctor before you start munching on these. Your doctor will help you understand what's safe for your specific condition. 3. Choose your protein wisely. Protein is absolutely essential for our bodies. It helps build and repair tissues, makes enzymes and hormones, and is a crucial building block for bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and blood. However, when it comes to kidney health, it's not just about getting enough protein, but about choosing the right kind and the right amount. Think of protein digestion as a bit of a workout for your kidneys. 5. Know what to avoid. Just as important as knowing what to eat is knowing what to avoid. Foods that are overly sweet, highly processed, or loaded with preservatives and artificial colorings can really put a strain on your kidneys over time. If you're at high risk for kidney problems, or if you've already been diagnosed with kidney disease, it's extra important to steer clear of these. This also includes avoiding processed foods in general, unnecessary additives, smoking, and excessive alcohol. These things are just plain bad news for your kidneys and your overall health. Think of it as giving your kidneys a clean break from things that hurt them. 6. Listen to your doctor. This last tip ties everything together and is arguably the most important. While these general tips are great, a truly kidney-friendly diet should always be built on the guidance of doctors and nutrition experts. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs. And remember, it's not just about what you eat. It's about a whole healthy lifestyle. That means regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, and getting those regular checkups. These checkups are super important because they can help catch any potential kidney issues early on, which means you can get prompt treatment and prevent things from getting worse. If you have kidney problems, never ever take supplements or kidney health pills without your doctor's approval. Some supplements can actually be harmful to your kidneys, or they might interact badly with your medications. Always, always check with your healthcare provider first. So there you have it. 6 key diet tips to help keep those incredible kidneys of yours in tip-top shape. Our bodies are amazing, but they need our help to stay that way. By making smart food choices and listening to our doctors, we can give our kidneys the love and support they deserve. Do you have any favorite kidney-friendly recipes or tips? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.